Param 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 nana nana nana. Whoa! Wow! So many animals. Wow! Duck, octopus, deer, horse. So guys, here we have a basket. I will collect all these animals into this. Let's start collecting. Wow! Spider, beautiful spider, guys. And whoa, wow, octopus. This is a sea animal. And whoa, white duck, beautiful white duck, guys. And the next one is wow, camel. This is a desert animal, guys. Beautiful orange color camel. And wow, panda bear. Look at this white and black color panda bear. And the next one is wow, deer. Beautiful, guys. This is a wild animal. And here we have whoa, wow, chicken. And the next one is wow, wolf. Beautiful wolf, guys. Wild animal, dangerous animal. And whoa, wow, this is a grey color horse. This is a farm animal, guys. And the next one is wow, elephant. Beautiful elephant, guys. Look at this. Wow, very amazing. And the next one is whoa, wow, butterfly. Look at this beautiful butterfly. And the next one is wow, rhinoceros. Beautiful rhino, guys. This is a wild animal. And the next one is whoa, wow, crab. This is a sea animal. Beautiful crab with orange and yellow color combination. And wow, giraffe. This is the tallest animal on earth. And the next one is wow, jaguar. Beautiful jaguar, guys. And the last one is wow, dinosaur. Dangerous dinosaur with orange color. Bye bye, guys.